Today, we will solve systems of linear inequalities using the graphical method. If you are ready, we will begin. A first-degree equation, also called a linear equation, takes this form, where A and B are both not zero. When two or more linear equations involve the same variables, they are called a system of linear equations. An ordered pair that satisfies all the linear equations of a system is called a solution of the system. A system of two linear equations in two variables often involves a pair of straight lines in the plane. The solution set of such a system of equations can be determined from the graph and is the set of all ordered pairs of coordinates of points which lie on both lines. For example, x minus y equals 3 and x plus 2y equals 0 is a system of two linear equations. Let us find its solution set. We begin by drawing the graph of each linear function as we see here. The lines intersect at 2, -1. Therefore, the solution set of the system is 2, -1. It is time for the first activity of the lesson, everyone. Working with a partner, find the solution set of this system of linear equations.
Students, let's get ready. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back. I'm sure you began by drawing the graph of each linear equation, which looks like this. As you can see, the two lines intersect at 4, -3. Therefore, the solution set of the system of linear equations is 4, -3. Well done. In a system of equations, if the equal sign is replaced by any of these signs, the system becomes a system of linear inequalities. To find the solution set for this system of inequalities, let us first draw the graph of one of the boundary lines. The graph of y consists of points on or above the line defined by y equals -3x plus 2. This is obtained by taking a test point and checking that the inequality is true. For example, let us take the test point 2, 0. By substituting those values into the inequality, we can see that 0 is greater than or equal to -6 plus 2. Next, we draw the graph of the other boundary line that corresponds to the second inequality. The graph consists of all the points below the line defined by y equals x minus 2. Notice that the line is dotted to exclude the points marked by the line itself. Now, let us draw both graphs on the same coordinate system. The section of the coordinate system that is marked by both graphs is the solution set for the system. Solving the system of linear inequalities for x, we see that -3x plus 2 equals x minus 2. When we isolate x, we find that it is equal to -4 over -4, or 1. Therefore, x equals 1 and y equals -1. So, x is greater than 1. -3x plus 2 is less than or equal to y, which is less than x minus 2. The solution set is expressed as the set of x and y such that -3x x plus 2 is less than or equal to y, which is less than x minus 2 and x is greater than 1. We can apply the same principles and methods to solving a system of 3 inequalities as well. Look at this example. Here, our objective is to determine the set of points whose coordinates satisfy all 3 of these conditions. Let us draw each boundary in turn to find the answer. This is the graph of x is greater than or equal to 0. This is the graph of y is greater than or equal to 0. This is the graph of x plus y is less than 3. Now we draw all 3 graphs on the same coordinate system, coloring in only the intersection of the 3 regions. The results look like this. The points satisfying the system of inequalities are the points that satisfy all 3 inequalities. This is the set of x, y such that x is part of the half-open interval 0, 3 and y is part of the half-open interval 0, 3 minus x. Let us do our second activity now. Here is a system of 3 linear inequalities, each of which contain 2 variables. Solve each for y, then plot each inequality on the same coordinate system to find the solution. You may get started now.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again. Did you find the solution of the system of inequalities? Let us graph each linear inequality in turn. This is the graph of y is less than 1 minus x. This is the graph of y is less than 2x plus 1. This is the graph of y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 3. When we combine each of these graphs on the same coordinate system, this is the result. The highlighted area shows the solution for the system of inequalities. Well done. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Today, we have learned about systems of linear equations that have two variables. Until next lesson, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.